This could be the car for you. The 2016 Honda CR-V. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 60,000 miles on the odometer. You'll love the high-end feel and powerful performance of this sleek CR-V. This small SUV also comes fully loaded with advanced safety and infotainment technology, clever creature comforts, and a can-do attitude. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, moonroof, satellite radio, heated mirrors, fog lamps, backup camera, heated front seat, power driver seat, steering wheel audio controls, alarm. Give yourself the upgrade you deserve. Get into the Honda CR-V and drive well. We'll put you behind the wheel today.